just woken up to this stunning view of the sunrise. So peaceful here, beautiful. Today we have come to SGBP Hospital. We're waiting for our health checkups and we're going to go meet the opticianist first. Harini and I have finished with our checkups and waiting for our parents. Finished with all our checkups and now finally having some yummy food. We've come back to our rooms and we're chilling, and all the kids here are playing sports. It's the afternoon here, so it's sports time. We have come to meet Casa for dinner. It looks so lovely. Such a beautiful outdoor restaurant, lovely water features and seating.